Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Theory's Outdoor Adventure. Right now, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Just got my Torpedo Ultralight 1103 AC. Yeah, I've been wanting to get one of these for a while and finally got it. So yeah, we're gonna quickly unbox this thing and then I may do a video and actually show myself installing it. So we're gonna run through this real fast. What we got? Alright, so first thing I see right off the bat, we got the battery right here. Take that out. Let's see. Then we got our manuals on how to put it together. Let's see. Out. I guess I forgot to say these are the cords. I'll actually pull them out. This is probably the control box right here for the controller, or the throttle controller right here. Right here we got the actual bracket assembly right here. Woo. Not bad for these. The money maker. Yeah, this bad boy right here. Right here. Yes, let's get this out of the way. Yeah, this thing right here. It's got a little weight to it. Not too heavy, but yeah. Got milk. Put that there. And we'll use this right here. Got your paracord. That's the two latches. The steering mechanism, some dynamic pace, got some knobs for, I'm assuming for the reverse and pulling the actual motor out of the water. Your nuts and bolts, screws. Clamps. Yeah. The throttle assembly. Throttle assembly. The charger, battery charger, yeah, and all your cables. That's the least of the battery, the big battery. So yeah, just a quick unboxing. Like I said, I got the Torpedo. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a game changer in the water. So we will see. Hope to maybe put a install video together, but we'll see how everything goes. But can't wait to get it on the water. Hey, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next adventure on the water. Peace.